here's to being here in Wisconsin. Come along as we make our way across this great state with family and friends, where moments become legend and stories souvenirs. The Great River Road is home to 33 historic river towns and villages along the Mississippi. Olivia and Estavion plan to visit as many as they can in a fall weekend getaway.
We decided to take a drive along Wisconsin's Great River Road. We headed south from the Twin Cities to take in the fall colors. Our first stop was Maiden Rock Winery and Cidery. We were there at the peak of harvest. Perfect timing.
Maiden Rock Winery and Cidery.
Cheers to you.
Thank you.
Delicious.
I can't figure out which one my favorite is.
I like all four. I'm impressed. Then we took a slight detour to a great little restaurant we had heard of called the Stone Barn.
Hi, welcome to the Stone Barn. How are we doing today? For number 70.
Thank you.
It was some of the best pizza we'd ever had.
Toast?
This is toast.
Yes.
Cheers.
We live in a busy city, so this drive was just what we needed. So many cute river towns and scenic stops. Each town has so much character, especially La Crosse, the largest city on the Great River Road. We stayed in a beautiful boutique hotel that was originally an old candy factory from the 1890s.
Ooh, you can see the river.
I knew you would like this.
I do like it. It's very, very, very pretty.
Another nice surprise was how the La Crosse area is a melting pot of different types of restaurants and bars. Le Cave was one of our favorites.
Whoa, it's like a popsicle.
You can't go to La Crosse without checking out the view from Grandad Bluff. It was spectacular. So much great color. It's not the sort of hike we get to do every day, so we really loved it. We had never been to the La Crosse area before, but we will definitely be back to explore more on the Great River Road.
Great find, great find.
Yes, I love this.
Explore more stories from around the state at travelwisconsin.com.
That's scrumpy and delicious.
I like the scrumpy.
It's very scrumpy. Grumpalicious.
Scrumpy.
All of them are wonderful. This is a hidden treasure.